Today I'm going to show you 3 easy cold weather hairstyles. Grab your hair into a high ponytail. Grab your beanie and cut a hole at the top like this. Put on your beanie and pull your ponytail through the hole. Tuck in the ends like this, and then you have a cute winter hairstyle. Split your hair into 2 and tie both sections with an elastic band. Take the top ponytail, split it down the center, and take both sides to the back of the ponytail. Tie with an elastic. Repeat all the way down and fluff up the braid to make it fuller from the bottom up. Repeat on the other side. Add your earmuffs to keep your ears warm, and you're all set. Split your hair into 2 sections. Tie your hair in a low ponytail, but don't pull your hair all the way through. Leave a loop like this. Do the same on the other side. Now pull one loop through the other loop and pin into place. Use as many pins as you need. Add your headband and create a cute messy bun. Finish the look by pulling hair pieces in the front to frame your face. Cute, warm, and easy, all done.